And then you'll need to know every single part of the list for
What?
the exam.
I'm waiting for him.
Oh.
Do you have all the nerves down?
No.
No? All right.
I think
So,
we're going over them then.
all right, olfactory is the large one at the top. Right? So and it'll be on both sides. All the nerves are always on both sides. So we have the olfactory right here. And then the next one is the optic, which is right. It would be extending from the chiasma outwards. The chiasma is where both sides meet. And then the optic tract is where each goes into the brain.
Wait,
See?
pause. Let me go this way because I can't see your hands in the way. Okay, go.
Where do you want me to go? Where do you want me to
The
start?
chiasma you're talking about.
All right. Chiasma is where they both meet. Both optic tracts meet. And the optic tract is right here on both sides. You see it going in? It goes into the brain. Optic tract.
Okay.
Right? Then we have... Do you guys know the pituitary gland?
No.
Pituitary gland is right on this. Right above it. So if your brain...
That whole thing?
Yeah, this whole thing.
Okay.
If your brain doesn't have the dura mater attached to it, you're not going to see it because it's above the dura mater, not under
Okay.
it. So, now, off with this. Oculomotor nerve is right over here. Okay. Those two. Then we have the trigeminal, which are these tiny, tiny ones right here.
I thought those were the trigeminal was a really big one
Which one?
on here.
Wait, that's a mammillary body, right?
Oh.
Wait.
Professor where?
I think you're right.
I don't know. Miss Bowley?
I'll send you a video from before.
Oh, the half brain?
Yeah.
That'd be awesome. Thank you.
Cerebral aspect.
Professor Poli, can I borrow you for a second?
Where's the upper midbrain?
He's confused. Which area?
Trigeminal?
Abducens. Trigeminal's the
Is
big
this
one on
one?
the side.
Right.
Yep, exactly.
Which one?
That big one that you just pointed to.
This one?
Yep.
Okay.
So we don't have to
So
know
if
trochlear.
so, if
No.
we don't have
We
this
don't need
attached
to
to it, do we not do trigeminal?
Probably not.
Okay, because it's always attached to this.
Typically.
Hello. What?
All right. So.
Wait, so you said no trochlear?
Correct.
All right. So then, abducens. These tiny ones, right, guys? Abducens right here. And then we have the accessory nerve. Accessory nerve runs lateral to the spinal cord, so it'll be on both sides. You see it right here. And you might not be able to see it, might be covered, but just know that it's on the lateral sides of the spinal cord. And that's it. Questions?